Respected viewers, today we are going to tell you about some unbelievable engineering achievements of China, after seeing which even the world's top scientists and engineers have been forced to admit that China is not just 10 or 20 years ahead of the world in development and construction, but almost 100 years ahead. For example, take the Wudu Viaduct Bridge, which is being constructed at a staggering height of 610 meters above sea level. This height is so extreme that if you stand on the bridge and look down, you will see clouds beneath your feet. And China's goal wasn't just to build a bridge, they wanted to build the highest bridge in the world. But there was a major problem. How do you transport cranes and heavy machinery to such heights? Most countries would have simply given up, declaring the project impossible. But China found a solution. They developed the world's largest string crane system, a crane suspended in the air on extremely strong steel cables. This crane lifted steel segments weighing up to 21,000 tons. A single mistake could have caused catastrophic destruction hundreds of meters below. Therefore, zero error was tolerated. For this project, China used Beidou satellite navigation and Internet of Things IoT systems. Every steel segment was installed with millimeter-level accuracy. And not only that, the bridge has an internal sensory network which continuously monitors where pressure is high, where cables are loosening, and where danger might develop. This is not just construction. This is future technology that turns bridges into living machines. Now let's move toward China's 3D printed ICT park. This was not built with bricks, workers, or hammers, but entirely using 3D printing technology. This was not a small park. It covered more than 5,520 square meters. You might think such a large construction would require countless machines. But once again, China stunned the world. Every wall, every bench, every sculpture, even the flower pots were all 3D printed using a concrete-like strong material. And the design was not the usual straight-line construction. It flowed like art, like water in motion, making people wonder whether humans really built it. And the most astonishing part, this massive project was completed not in years, not in months, but in just a few weeks, around 2 months. The cost was far below traditional construction methods. This is what sets China apart from the rest of the world. Next on our list is Mini Sky City, a building constructed not at a normal pace, but as if it were being assembled like a game. This tower, around 200 meters tall, was completed not in years, not in months, but in just 19 days. The building was named Mini Sky City, and it was built using modular construction, meaning most parts of the building were already manufactured in a factory, then assembled on site like blocks. And its strength is remarkable. It can withstand a magnitude 9 earthquake. The company has now announced a plan to build a 220-story tower using the same method. If this happens, the history of construction will change forever. Next is the Kalash Hybrid Power Station, the world's largest hybrid renewable power plant combining solar and hydropower together. It was built in extremely harsh mountain terrain where temperatures drop to minus 30 degrees Celsius and where normal machinery cannot function. Yet China installed solar panels and hydro turbines there. The complex covers 158 million square meters, large enough to fit several cities. It currently produces more than 1 gigawatt of clean renewable energy, and this is just the beginning. Now comes the project that shocked the entire world. The relocation of the 8,270-ton Vianli historical building. Instead of demolishing an ancient structure to build a metro station beneath it, China lifted the entire building and moved it step by step to another location, just like a person walking. Once the underground construction was completed, the building was moved back to its original place. This was something that once sounded impossible, but China made it a reality. Finally,
China developed inflatable construction domes to eliminate dust and noise pollution during construction in cities. This giant transparent dome is inflated like a balloon and completely covers the construction site. Dust and noise stay contained inside, and air filtration systems clean the air before releasing it outside. No disturbance to residents. No pollution to the environment. China transformed construction into quiet, clean, and eco-friendly development. So dear viewers, if these unbelievable Chinese projects amazed you, then like the video right now and tell us in the comments which Chinese project blew your mind the most.